Hi friends, welcome to Learn with Krishna Sandeep channel. In this video, we'll see how to filter even numbers given an array of numbers. So we'll be given a set of array of numbers. From that numbers, what we need to do, we need to filter even numbers. So how do we do this? Okay. So first we'll write a class. So I've taken a class called Java8 Event Demo, and I'm writing a main method inside it. And then so we'll be using Java 8. So without Java 8, it's pretty simple. We'll be using one if condition, and inside that if condition, what we'll do, we'll say if n percentile 2 equal to 0, then we say that given number is even number. Okay, so by using Java 8, how do we do that? So first let's take a list of integers. Okay, list of integers, and we call that as numbers. Arrays dot. Okay, and then just give few random numbers 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10. Okay, so from this list of numbers, what we need to do, we need to get this what do you say, even number. So how do we do that? How do we get that? Okay, so first let's resolve this compilation error. Okay, we have resolved the compilation errors. So on numbers, okay, we have a method called stream, which will return the stream of integers. Okay, inside the stream, okay, so when inside the stream we have a method called filter. So what this filter method do, it accepts a predicate. Okay, so predicate is nothing but it will return some value. Okay, this filter method accepts predicate. What is a predicate? So in Java 8, predicate is nothing but it's a functional interface which accepts an argument and returns a Boolean value. Okay, it will return a Boolean value and it will return it will accept an argument. Okay, so now let's write the condition. N, one second, and give n percentile 2 equal to 0. Okay, so this is the Boolean value it will return, and finally, so this is the filter, and on this filter what we need to do, we need to call for each method. Okay, because we'll be having multiple values. I mean this condition will be satisfied by multiple values, so we need to loop through that values and we need to print the value. So to print the value, we'll be using system.out.println, and to loop through each and every value that satisfies this condition, what we need to do, we need to use for each method. Okay, and finally what we'll be doing, we'll be calling system.out. Okay, system.out, and then give println. Okay, so let's run the program and see the output. Run as Java application. You see, so out of the given list of array of numbers, so these are the even numbers 2, 4, 8, 10. So 2, 4, 8 and 10. So hope you understand how to filter only even numbers from a given list of numbers or given set of numbers. So it's pretty simple. What we need to do, so from the list we need to call the stream method, which will return the integer stream, and on the integer stream we need to call filter method. So what this filter method do, so it will return the stream consisting of elements of the stream that matches the given predicate. Okay, so predicate is nothing but it's a condition or which accepts as an argument and returns a Boolean value. Okay, so here we'll be giving the condition, and based on this condition, whatever the values are we are filtering, okay, so that values will be returned by using this filter method. It will return the stream of integers. So finally, since we get multiple values, right, we'll be looping each and every value by using the for each method, and finally we'll call system.out.println. So hope you understand, right? So thanks for watching my video. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.